Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to mount the charger of the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster handheld vacuum. So first step, we're gonna determine where you want to put it on. So just put the charger right on here and let's see where is your desired location. So I think here is a good spot and I just want to make a mark right here. Alright, I just used my pencil. Here is a hole right here, so put a mark in. And the vacuum comes with the expansion screw set. And I told you that use a 3/16 drill to drill the hole. So this is the right size, 3/16. But before you're drilling holes on the drywall, you should know that there might be something underneath the drywall, maybe electrical wire or maybe just the water pipes. So if you don't know, use the stud detector to check it. I have already checked it, no problem. And now I'm going to drill a hole, but even though you check it, while you drill it, you're going to be really gentle. You want to drill through, but you don't want to punch in and the drill still spinning. That's really dangerous. To see how I do it, you see how gentle I am? So now open the package and put this expansion plastic in and use the hammer to knock it in. Here the charger, put a screw through. And you make sure that screw is right on top of the expansion screw. So here I don't like to use the impact driver. It's gonna be too much force. It might break the expansion screw. So using the screwdriver is better. So it takes some time, but you know, it works best. So right about here, it's already tightened, but here just the plastic a little bit floppy. And alright, now I'm going to put the vacuum on here. Plug this one into the power. It's now charging, but I didn't see any indicator or lights is coming on, so I'm assuming that there's no lights even though it's charging. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.